artist that I respect. MTV's Nests, a remake of Cribs. This is the best art I've ever seen. Ew. Compliments. Gross. Don't make it weird. Can't help it. The weakest link. So cute. It is funny to me when I upset Mark with my friendship. Mark, are you gonna paint good with us on Monday? You gonna paint a good bird? Can y'all see this? Probably not. Why not? Because you don't like us? Is that why? Mark hates fun. Yeah, I'm gonna be on Paint Good this Monday. I'm gonna become an Overwatch streamer now. You're just gonna stream while we do Paint Good. I can only see 2 paint blobs. They're potatoes, Rochelle. They're actually my pain blobs, yeah. That's true. Mark is already too good at painting. Or he's gonna paint great. Only paint bad? That's fine too. No more Fortnite, Mark? Mark, when's the last time you played Fortnite? Let's see. Sometimes I feel like a pain blob. Yeah, I do too. Honestly, too relatable. But like I said, today I woke up and I didn't have a headache. Hooray! We love it. We love to see it. Damn, it sure is windy out there. Windier than a bag of buttholes, or whatever the saying was. That's it, isn't it? Yeah. Like a month. Jen! You're so sweet. How dare you?
Jennick just subscribed.
Jennick.
Hoot hoot. Burbs Gutnado, Burbs Gutnado, Burbs Gutnado. Thanks for all the cozy streams, Liz. Love being here with the Burbs, Burbs Gutnado, Burbs Gutnado, Burbs Gutnado.
You're so sweet. Thank you, Jen. I love having you here with all the burbs. With all the burbs. It's so good to have you here and the burbs here. Jen bless. Woke up with a headache. It's gone now, thanks coffee. Huge shout out to coffee. Oh really, Callum? Yeah, that makes sense. What's up, Austin? No headache, wahoo. I did start the magnesium, although I had to order the riboflavin on the internet because I couldn't find it anywhere. Those are house finches. Huge shout out to coffee. Huge. I would never become a coffee person, but here I am. All your power's out? Damn. The liberals are trying to take my riboflavin away. Pesky liberals. Trying to take my riboflavins. I just ordered some online though, so it should get here soon. But yeah, I started the magnesium. Does anyone else take magnesium? Is it really important to take it with food? I feel like I have like a sensitive little tummy, so I did, but I was worried. Did y'all just have some crazy weather wagon?